Good morning, children. Now this is 9th class social studies, children. So first I congratulate you. You are promoted to 9th class, 8th class to 9th class. So now this is the first lesson of 9th class social studies, children. Our earth. What is that? Our earth. So we know you already studied in your previous classes about earth. So what are there upon the earth? How the origin of earth? Next, what is the role of earth? Next, how the human being formed, or they are moving upon the earth, etc. Okay, children. So upon the earth, not only human being, but also we can see many plants. Big plants are there, small plants are there. Insects, small insects also there. Bacteria is there. We cannot see the bacteria. We can see only microscope. Okay, children. Next one, big plants, banyan tree, okay, neem tree. These type of big plants also there. Trees also there. Next, animals, small animals there, big animals also there. Herbivores, carnivores living. Okay, deer, buffalo, lion. Okay, children, elephant. So these are all moving upon the earth. Next, water, oceans also there, rivers, streams, ponds, lakes. In the water also we can find some creatures. Fish, blue whale, it's a big one. Okay, children. So upon the earth, these all kinds of creature moving and living, children. A certain period they are living upon the earth. After some years it will pass away. So this is the continuous one. But what about the earth? How the earth existence, or how the earth began in the universe. So in the universe is a vast one. We cannot measure how much universe. It is a vast one, children. In the universe, many galaxies are there. In the galaxies, many solar systems are also there. Okay, so one solar system is our solar system. So sun is the main one in the solar system. Next to planets. These planets are moving around the sun. Among the planets, Earth is one of the planet, that is the third one. So we know this information you studied in your previous classes, children. Okay, children. The universe started and the sun, the earth started. When the universe started, how the earth rotating itself around the sun, etc. Now listen, children. The distance from the sun to earth, how many kilometers? 152 million kilometers. This is the farthest distance from sun to earth. From sun to earth. Next, sometimes it will come near to the sun. That is 147 million kilometers. What is that, children? 147 million kilometers. How much speed? 1,07,200 kilometers per hour. It rotating and moving around the sun with the speed of per hour 1,07,200 kilometers, children. So it will complete one time. It will take 365 1/4 days, children, for one completion around the sun. This earth moving itself and around the sun for one completion, how many days will take? 365 1/4 days, children. Okay, we know 365 days considered as 1 year. Okay. So 1 year means 12 months. Each month 30 days, sometimes 31. Okay, February month 28, leap year 29 days. Okay, children. So this is the calculation of speed of the earth around the sun. Next, it started 4.5 billion years ago, children. It started 4.5 billion years ago. What it is? Earth. Universe started. It is the scientists believed, children. We cannot know exactly how the universe began, how the earth began, but scientists believed because they researched many times and they concluded and they announced this one. So that's why we are telling these all points. The universe started 13.7 billion years ago, children. Okay, the earth started 4.5 billion years ago, children. Are you understood, children? Next one, at the beginning it was a hot like a bomb. It is swirling. Okay, so gradually what happened? So if you take one glass and if you pour some milk, if you moving like this, the glass, what will happen? The heavy particles will go down, the light particles will come up. Likewise, when the earth is swirling like this, it became cooler. So in this process, it taken place many years, children. So in this process, what happened? The heavy objects are laid upon the down, the lighter particles upon the outer layer. Okay, children. So this is the formation of earth, children. Next, internal structure of the earth. What is that? Internal structure of the earth. Here, three parts are there in the internal, children. First one is crust, second one is mantle, third one is core. I repeat once again, crust, mantle, core. Now children, I want to show you some pictures and I will explain in your textbook once you come to your text, children. Now you come to your textbook, the first page of this lesson, children. This is the universe. In the universe, how our earth is, once you look, children, how the earth, it is a pale blue dot. It is a pale blue dot, children. Carl Sagan, a scientist, pointed out that all of human history has happened on that tiny pixel shown here inside a yellow circle, which is our only home, Earth. This photo taken from the space is known as pale blue dot. What is that? Pale blue dot. Now you turn your page, children. Look at, children. This is sun. This is earth. So here three pictures are there. Look once. First one is circle path. Second one is an elongated vowel path. Third one is scaled vowel path. Okay, children, scaled vowel path. So I said the longest from sun to earth, the nearest from sun to earth. So longest distance is 152 million kilometers. Nearest distance is 147 kilometers. Okay, children? Okay. Now you observe these three pictures, children. Which picture is correct? You say. Next you come to the page number 5. You come to the page number 5. Here the interior of the earth. What is that? The interior of the earth. Here three parts are there. First one is crust. Second one is mantle. Third one is core. What is crust? What is mantle? What is core? I want to show you in this. Look, children. So this area is called crust. This area.
That means the outer area layer is called crust, children. This outer area up to how many kilometers depth? 30 kilometers to 100 kilometers, children. 30 kilometers to 100 kilometers. Okay. In this layer, various kinds of rocks are there, children. Second one is mantle. This layer from 100 to 2009 kilometers in the thickness. Okay, children. What is the thickness of this mantle, children? 100 kilometers to 2009 kilometers. Next, children, in this layer, what rocks are there? What rocks are there? Chemicals are there. These chemicals are called silicate, children. These chemicals are called what? Silicates. The third one is core. This core again two parts, inner core and outer core. I repeat, inner core and outer core. Okay, children. So this total core depth is 2900 to 6376 kilometers, children. Okay, it composed of dense and heavy substance. In this we can find iron and nickel. What is that? Iron and nickel. It is again two layers. What are that? Outer core, inner core. Outer core thickness is 2009 kilometers to 5001 kilometers. Liquid metallic material like nickel and iron is there, children, in this outer core. So in this outer core, nickel and iron will find. Okay. Last one is, this is inner core, children. The depth of inner core is 5100 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. In this we can find gold, children. In this we can find gold. Okay. Next, children, I want to repeat once again this interior of the earth. First one is mantle. First one is crust. Second one is mantle. Third one is core. So this is the crust, this is the mantle, and this is the core. Again this core divides two parts, inner core and outer core. What is that, children? Inner core and outer core. Next, children, do you know Greek word? The word earth. Earthio meaning ground, soil, dry land. Okay, children. Indian languages have multiple words for earth. In Sanskrit terms include Bhumi, Prudvi, Dharani, Avani, etc. Many Indian languages use variations of these Sanskrit words, children. Okay, Bhumi, Avani, Dharani, Prudvi. These are the words. Okay, so all meanings are same, children. Now look at daily rotation of the earth on its axis. So this is the orbit, children. This is the orbit, children. So this is also orbit. Next, monthly movement of the moon around the earth. Rotation of the sun on its axis. Revolution of the earth around the sun. Tilt of earth axis of rotation to its orbital plane. Spherical shape of the earth. Earth's distance from sun during the annual revolution. Okay, children. I will explain the remaining lesson in the next class. Thank you.